In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze any number of rows like 2, 5, 8 in Google Sheets. Freezing rows is a simple way to keep important information, like headers or key labels, visible while you scroll through large data sets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock the top 2, 5, 8, or any number of rows using a quick right-click menu inside Google Sheets. First, head to Google in your web browser. Starting from the Google homepage makes it easy to access all your apps in one place. Look toward the top right of the page for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid icon to open the panel of Google services. From the Apps panel, select Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets where you can access your recent files and templates. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you already have it in your recent list, click it. Otherwise, navigate to it from your drive. With your spreadsheet open, decide how many rows you want to freeze. For example, if your headers occupy the first 2 rows, or you have a multi-line header up to row 5 or 8, pick the last row you want, included in the frozen section. Now click directly on the row number on the far left to select that entire row. You'll know it's selected when the row is highlighted. Next, right-click on that selected row number. This opens a context menu with row-specific options. In that menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled View More Row Actions. A secondary menu will appear with additional controls tailored to the row you selected. In that expanded menu, click Freeze Up to row X, where X matches the row number you clicked earlier. For example, if you selected row 10, the option will read Freeze Up to row 10. This command locks every row from the top down through that row, so choosing row 2 freezes the top 2 rows, row 5 freezes the top 5, and so on. After you click, give your sheet a quick scroll. You'll see a solid gray line under the last frozen row, and those rows will remain visible while the rest of the sheet moves. If you ever need a different number of frozen rows, just repeat the same steps and choose a new row. This method is efficient, precise, and ensures your key information stays in view while you navigate and analyze your data. That's it. Your rows are now frozen exactly the way you want.